What's up, guys, and welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. I'm Jimmy. This is Terrell. Let us show you around. Over here, we have this beautiful 392 Dodge Durango. The customer brought it in for us. We're going to do racing stripes from the bottom of the front bumper the whole way back to the bottom of the back bumper.
What's up, guys? We had this Model S. You may have seen it here before. It got a full front clip. It had damage done to the front bumper. It's back to get that fixed, so back to make it look perfect again.
Over here, we have this 2022 white GMC Denali in for a full paint protection film installation. Top it off with Expel Fusion coating with the wheels off, and then he's also adding the interior coating as well.
What's up, guys? We got this beautiful GT500 carbon track pack here. It's in here for a lot of different things. It got a full Expel wrap with an interior coating with the wheels off. Got a tint job. It got the badges up front, red, and the Shelby with the snakes on the front and the back, red as well.
Over in the wash bay, we have a GMC Terrain. It's in here for an annual inspection. So what happens is after a year, we like the customer to bring the car in and we wash it, clay it, iron defall it, and then we actually put a Ceramic Pro Sport coating back on it just to rejuvenate the coating. So it's doing well, and we're also cleaning up the inside for the customer too.
We had this beautiful Mercedes here for a very, very good customer of ours, Ed Barbers. He keeps us busy all year round. It was in for just a yearly checkup, get cleaned up, looking good for his wife, Casey.
Outside, all we have is this Tesla that had the full front end protected with paint protection film.
And that's it for LATROBE What's in the Shop. We're going to send you off to Luke and Gibsonia.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Still in the shop is this Mercedes-Benz leisure van. This is mostly done. We have all the PPF laid. Most of the vehicle is coated at this point as well. Just need to tint that sunroof on our 70% XR Plus line, along with an interior sunroof piece. Here we have a completed full paint correction and ceramic coating. It's got our Fusion Plus coating on the entire vehicle after Mark Foley polished out the paint to rid of any imperfections. Also still in the shop is the EQS AMG. This was quite the project to take out the dent on this back door and back quarter panel, but it's now as good as new thanks to Anthony at Galaxy Dent Repair. Last step of the process is to do some PPF on this back hatch area. The hatch was opened up into the top of the garage door, which caused a scuff in the PPF. So that was taken off. We're going to reapply the PPF on the affected areas, get it recoated, and it's heading home. Next up, we have a 2020 Cadillac CT5. This is in for some mud flap installation. Another completed correction and coating on this 2022 Chevy Equinox. This paint had some imperfections in it. If you haven't seen our Instagram story, check that out. You can see before and after. It's really a night and day difference. So we got the entire body paint corrected, topped off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bays, this Audi S5. It's a really unique color. I like this blue a lot. It's getting our Expel Prime CS 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window, and then a 5% visor on the top of the windshield. Next up for PPF is this 2023 BMW X3. This one from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This is getting the track package on the full front and the rocker panels. In the back, we have two full wraps. First is this 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This is getting stealth, obviously. You can see the comparison between the front door and the back. So it's going to go from a gloss black finish to a satin black finish. Really, really unique look that's becoming more and more popular. We also stripped off the existing tint from the two front windows and retinted the entire vehicle in our Expel Prime CS 5% window tint. The second full wrap of the week is a Rivian R1S. A super, super cool vehicle. You don't see many of these around. This is going to be in the Expel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We are also going to be blacking out the emblems here. You can see Rivian, and also on the wheel there's some chrome accents. So we're going to leave the yellow how it is and make the chrome turn to black. After everything's complete, we're going to be topping it off with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Up on the left, we have Austin working on this 2020 C43 AMG. This got some paint protection film on the entire front clip and the back bumper. We also tinted all the side windows and the back window yesterday in our Prime CS 20% tint. Once Austin finishes up touching up the PPF here, it's going to go to Mark's Bay to get a full paint correction and Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thanks, Luke, and that's for What's in the Shop Wednesday. Check us out next week.